Welcome. In this lesson, we will explore how to apply a function to a value only if a given condition is met. Otherwise, the value remains unchanged. This is a useful technique in functional programming. Let's get started. The idea is simple. We check if the input satisfies a given condition. If it does, we transform it. Otherwise, we return it unchanged. The when function accepts a predicate and transformation function. It returns a new function that applies the transformation only if the given condition is met. The process starts by defining a predicate that checks if a condition is met. If true, a transformation function is applied. Otherwise, the original value is returned. This table shows how different inputs are processed. If the number is even, it is doubled. If it is odd, it remains unchanged. This technique is widely used in data validation, form handling, and conditional data transformations. In summary, this approach keeps our code clean and functional. It helps in writing reusable logic that applies transformation only when necessary. Thank you for following along. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.